Hello, my name is Neri Johanna Guevara Labio. Today I talk jokes in the future. Where you live in 10 years? I want live in spec city. If we have technology and good schools, where you will have, I will be teacher. I work with children. How the life? Their life will be easier. People work technology every day. How a job in the future? Jobs will be different. Teacher will use the Shiro tools and floor tools and virtual class. What be able to do? I will be able to teach in line. I will be able to use technology in class. What will you enjoy the most? I will enjoy helping children. I will enjoy teaching in new ways. What will not do? I will not use old methods. I will not ignore technology. How will cities be in the future? Cities will be more modern. They will be bigger and more technological. How will relationship be in the future? Relationship will be more digital. People will communicate online. The future will be interesting and different. Thank you for watching my video.